Dermatude performs in vivo tests on the Meta-therapy treatments done with both the FX-50 and the FX-100 devices. For a period of 3 months, a group of 25 to 75-year-old men and women undergo 8 Meta-therapy treatments on a regular basis and use Dermatude skincare twice a day. Before the first treatment, the skin is thoroughly measured on different aspects. Questions on lifestyle and health are asked, and the skin type is determined. The Invivo tests are done in different kinds of skin zones and measure various skin values. With special measuring devices, the condition of the skin is determined. A 3D picture is taken from all treatment areas: left side, right side, full face, neck, and décolleté. These 3D pictures show the amount of pigment, spots, pores, pore size, wrinkle depth, redness, and UV damage in the skin. With single measuring tools, individual measurements are made. Different tools are used to measure the moisture level, the amount of pigment, redness and sebum on the forehead and in the cheek zone of the skin. The elasticity of the skin is determined by measuring on 2 points, close to the eyes and on the jawline. After the 4th treatment and 1 week after the last treatment, this procedure is repeated. The client and therapist keep track on the treatment by filling in official Invivo test papers after each treatment. Once the course is finished, all data goes to the consultancy agency, who is specialized in finalizing the results into a report. The Invivo process is an ongoing procedure at Dermatude headquarters. We continuously test the results on Meta-therapy treatments. Dermatude, the facelift alternative.